Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another fun creative photography video. In this one, we are going to be using something to create some really cool images like this. Can you guess what we used? Well, believe it or not, it is actually a CD. Maybe you haven't seen one of these in a while, maybe you have one in your drawer, or chances are you have this somewhere in your house that you can use to join along in creating some really cool images just like the one you saw. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here you can see I am using a CD, and believe it or not, if you bring the CD close, right over the lens, it provides this really cool, unique look. And this is actually one of my favorite shots that I got. I decided to shoot a few more, and then I also got this one, which just has a really nice dreamy look. Then I just kind of laid the CD a little bit flat so you can get more of a cool reflection, if you will, and some really cool purple fringing just like this. After playing with it a few more times, I ended up getting these shots, which are actually some of my favorite from this shoot. Well guys, that is going to wrap up this creative photography video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it entertaining. I know I did, and it's always fun to shoot with something a little bit different and something that you wouldn't particularly even think to shoot with. I would love to see some of the images you guys create if you do go out and take a CD to your next shoot. So with that said guys, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And as always, down below will be some links to some really cool contests we have going on that you could submit your images to and win some really cool prizes. Now with that said, I will see you all in the next one. Have a great day.